Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Galina and today I'm back to Universal Studios because last time I was here I was walking by a Central Park Crepes and I stopped to see if they had anything seasonal, and they had three new flavors, well, new to me. One of them was something with impossible meat, which I was interested in. It's impossible for me to eat impossible meat. And other two I was highly interested in, but I was full already because I just ate at Richter's and I had the triple patty cheeseburger, so I couldn't eat anything else after that. So I'm back today to try the other two new ones. One of them is this one here with pork carnitas and corn. It's called street corn and pork carnitas, yes. And there is some tahini, some cheese, yes. And the other one is key lime pie, I guess. Yeah, it has key lime filling and it has graham cracker and whipped cream and a lime wheel, yeah. So it's going to go back on this chair over here for later. It's my dessert. Let's have this main course, this savory one first. I'm hungry. I'm almost starving. I haven't had anything to eat today except for one banana. And I'm running on 2 cups of coffee and 1 banana, like a minion, like a caffeinated minion. And it's already 5:40, so my first actual meal of the day. So I'm hungry enough for 2 crepes, so that's good. All right. Okay, so this is pork. And it has corn in it too. Yeah, and I was watching them make it, and they really loaded it with the pork carnitas. I was very pleased, and I'm happy that it's not burnt. Sometimes they cook it a little too long, and it turns out not golden but brown, and then it tastes burnt. So I'm happy they didn't burn it. So the sauce on top is very tangy from lime. Yeah, very sour. It's so sour that I don't even taste tahini that was sprinkled on top. I was looking forward to that tahini flavor. The carnitas very tender, kind of like juicy even, and corn adds texture and flavor and sweetness to it. But the crepe itself is already sweet. I wish they had 2 different kinds, like a savory crepe for savory, fillings, and a sweet one for sweet fillings, yeah. But if you like combination of sweet and savory, there you go, plus sour. So you have 3 flavors there. Great, right? So I'm enjoying it. I'm going to eat as much as I want, and then I'll switch to the key lime one. I'm looking forward to that one. I like key lime everything. You know what's funny? I left the house, it was raining, and all the way on the way here, it was raining. I was driving in the rain the whole time. And I came here, it's still raining. Yeah, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop. It's one of those, yeah. But I'm just happy to be here, enjoying my crepes, and the inside rides are still, open. And I have express after 4, so yeah, I'm going to have this other crepe and maybe go ride something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm mainly here for for these 2 babies, and that's my second one. That's my second baby. Let's give it a try. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it smells like lime. So that's a good sign. It means it's real, right? Oh, it's probably this lime wheel I was smelling. Matches my hat. I tried to pose for a thumbnail. Yeah. Maybe I should just take a picture before I ruin it. Yeah, let me take a picture. Okay, I took plenty of pictures to choose one for the thumbnail. And now let's try it. Hold on, I need a napkin. Where did I put them? Okay, I want to clean my fork of carnitas. Because I only have 1 fork. All right, so it has key lime filling, graham cracker on top, See? Okay. Let me get this out of the way. Let me show you the filling. See that green stuff? Yeah, that's good. So good, I forgot how to eat. Hold on. Let me have a drink of water. Almost sent it in the wrong pipe. Oh, that's my burn. If it's not a burn, it's a cut. If it's not a cut, it's either a scratch or a bruise. I'm clumsy. That's why I drop everything. Like I keep dropping my phone left and right. I drop this camera multiple times. Like don't give me anything of value to hold. Don't give me your valuable possession to hold. Don't give me your baby to hold. Not a good idea. I brought this bottle from my last trip here because it's a perfect size for a purse. It's not too big, not too small, and it's sturdy. Yeah, it's made with hard plastic, so that's what I like. So it's my purse bottle now. All right, so the crepe tastes just like key lime pie, the filling. Yeah, it's just not the same consistency. It's much looser or softer. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, that is really, really good. Up and big. All right, and don't look. Very, very good, very tasty. Yeah, but it made my tummy hurt. I don't know if it's sugar or the crepe itself. I don't know. Something makes my tummy hurty, but it's okay. So, what I was going to say something, I forget. Oh yeah. So I was saving this this hat and the pins, you know, this whole outfit for Epic Universe. You know, when I go back and see Toothless again and take a picture with him, you know, I was going to shop wearing all of this. But the tickets are like $200. I don't have an annual pass to that place, so I'm here instead. Too bad. Yeah, I almost pulled the trigger on the ticket. I almost went there instead. Yeah. And now that I'm sitting here and contemplating it, I'm almost like regretting not going. It's like I understand I'm saving money, but you know, it's just money, right? That's what money is for, to exchange it for the stuff you actually want, right? It's not the money that you want, it's the, you know, the stuff you can get for it, right? Yeah. No, what's done is done. I'm sure not going there now because they'll be closing at 9 and it's already 6. By the time I get there, it's like, what's the point, right? Yeah. I don't know, just sharing with you. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I don't think I'll be finishing it because my stomach is disagreeing with this. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So, in case if you were wondering, street corn and carnitas crepe was $14.99 and key lime pie crepe was $11.99. Yeah, and it made my tummy hurt. All right, let's go. Not only I'm sporting my new hat, I'm also sporting my new umbrella. Yeah. Okay, so let's go that way. I'll show you 1 second. I was walking to the Kitty ride, yeah.
you and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants and they'll give you your pass.
I'm going with the name Penelope again. Last time he said it just fine. Yeah, it wasn't difficult for him at all and I didn't skip it, so yeah. I'm going to stick to Penelope for now. Yeah, I switched from Maria to Penelope. So I'm going on the ET ride because last time I was here, my battery died and I didn't get to record it. I asked if I could and the team member said just no flash. Last time I was here, I took a picture with ET in the closet. Yeah.
He wants a minion. Oh, that is cute. Send it to me.
Hi, Penelope, please. Thank you. Okay, let's do it. I'm the last one in line. Okay, we're going through the forest with frogs and crickets. Oh, where are you going? All right, see you on the ride. I wish I could keep it as a souvenir. And this is what's on the back.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, you're coming at us. Oh, I lost it. He's anyway. On his grave. No one's flying. I see him. Come on, let's get him. Hold it right there. Run. Whoa!
E.T. go home. Deeply out. Welcome home. Poor guy. Mad dog.
You have saved our planet. Come celebrate with us.
and rest so long, crazy, fall.
Did you say Penelope? Well, he said it last time, so you can't win them all, I guess. And that's okay. And I want to take another picture with him now in the closet. Hi. So there's all the candles that smell like inside the queue. You know that smell? Yeah, kind of very close. Yeah, very close. And $23. You know where to find it if you want one. Or if you want this hat, the one that I own, it will be waiting for you right here. I will be right here. I'm taking another photo with E.T. in the closet.
1, 2, and 3.
Thank you.
Just careful, get down.
Yeah, thank you. All right. I like this keychain. Oh, it's heavy. But they also have this one. This one is light. And I also have this one. And this one is the heaviest. All right. I got the pictures and I got a new lanyard. Not the keychain. I don't think I need a keychain, but I can use a lanyard. I can pin my pins on it. I can hang my pass on it. I don't really like wearing lanyards. They are convenient, you know. I can hang my mic on it too, right? But I just don't like the feeling of it on my neck. Yeah, it's still raining. And I'm loving it. I'm totally fine with it. I always wanted to walk in the park in the rain, and yeah, there you go. I manifested it for myself, which is not too difficult when you live in Florida. Yeah, but like all day rain, that's amazing. Yeah, and especially when you're here in this park, there are only 2 outside attractions. Bless you, my goodness, everybody's sneezing. Yeah, so this ride behind me, you know, trolley coaster in DreamWorks Land, and another kiddie ride in front of me in Springfield. You know, that little spinny one. I forget what it's called. We're gonna walk by it. Yeah, but I'm not interested in those anyway. So, and everything else is inside. So how convenient, right? Yeah, tons of things to do here in this park when it's raining. Unlike Epic. So that's the ride I was trying to remember. Yeah, this kiddie ride right here. This one here. Yeah, this one here. Canon Kodos twirl and hurl right there. You go on it and you twirl and you hurl. And it's closed because of the weather. And that's okay. And this is the only ride I haven't been on in this park. And it's closed for the weather. Funny. You know what else is funny? Today is June the 30th, which is the last day of Hagrid's being included into Express After 4 with your premium annual pass. Yeah, I tried to ride it using that pass on my last 2 visits here, and both times it was delayed because of the weather. And this time it's the last day to use it, and it's raining all day today. So can't say I didn't try, right? This park is also beautiful, even in the rain. Just a different kind of, you know, ambience or atmosphere, but also so beautiful. Hold on. Look at this. Very pretty, right? And on this side, they have orca. See, it's probably the only thing that is left from the attraction they used to have here, the Jaws. Yeah, I guess that's what it was for. I don't know. I wasn't here for it. Yeah, but I heard a rumor that Universal is kicking it around. You know, opening another Jaws attraction. I know people are very attached to this ride, to the memories of it, and they're very much into this movie. And you know, Spielberg is such a huge influence here, and such a, you know, essential part of this park. But still, you know, what's done is done. Can we do something else? I don't know. All right, it's not raining anymore. Yeah. But I was enjoying it. They also have a caricature artist here. Yeah. I've never done it before because I'm afraid I'm not going to like it. But if you're not a chicken like me, then black and white caricature is $20 and full color is $30 per person. So if there are two of you, you're both paying $30. Ooh, almost forgot. I want to step inside Diagon Alley and grab myself caramels. If I ever go back for something, that's for caramels. Right from here. Nice. Oh my goodness, almost slipped. Slippery. Okay. Very cool. Oh, they still have the butterbeer shortbread bar and cookie sandwich. Nice. But they don't have butterbeer caramel. But they have butterbeer fudge. This purple candied apple, so pretty. Sugar plum apple. Nice. So they do have the butterbeer caramel. They were just cleaning and restocking. I also got myself this one. I've had it before, and I used to think it was coffee apple. And I never could taste coffee in it. Apparently, it's toffee. Now it makes sense. So I'm getting it again. So now with this new, to me, information, I can try it again and, you know, see how it tastes like. Now that I know it's toffee, not coffee. My goodness. Yeah, it's 3 for $12 with caramels, or $5.50 each. So I was originally going to get just 2, which is $11, but for $2 more, you can get 3. Not only that it's not raining anymore, the line to the ice cream is really short. Look at that. That's like nothing. But I don't really want ice cream now when it's not hot. And that's why the line is short, because everybody is like that. Should I get it? Should I take advantage of this short line and get myself some, you know, peanut butter strawberry ice cream? Harry Potter's favorite. Yeah, that was not the best spot to be standing. They're going to have the sensational show in 30 minutes. So meanwhile, I could go on the Transformers ride. But instead I came inside this store. Hi. And I saw these earrings here. Goodness. And is it a necklace or a bracelet?
Or a loss.
Not sure. Looks like a bracelet. It's a set. Okay, I'm picking up one more lanyard with jaws this time. Ooh, I like these. Wow, I haven't seen this one yet. That's cool. Okay, I'll keep it in mind. Also like this. And I like this. Mel's driving looks so good at night. Beautiful. Pretty from every side. You know what? I want to step inside this Spielberg Summer Blockbusters featuring Disclosure Day exhibition / tribute store and take another silly photo with the Disclosure Day photo op.
Disclosure Day.
This film is such an original science fiction story about the idea of non-human life existing in other worlds, that we are not alone. Good morning, Kansas City. And Margaret is suddenly imbued with these abilities she's never had before. Daniel Kellner.
Who is this?
Do not go back to the house. I don't know who you are, but they're gonna kill you. Her and Daniel, they are the holders of this world-changing secret.
It's the two of you. It's always been just the two of you.
Whatever happens, don't you let go.
And so they are being chased down by the highest form of shadowy government who are trying to stop them from revealing this truth to the world. This is it. They're here. These new, extraordinary gifts that have been bestowed upon them challenge the characters' values and their beliefs about what's possible.
This is Disclosure Day.
That camera can show three guys trying to stop you, kill as if you're doing it, avoid them. That's when we do the first tree crash. Then you're gonna back up, and see how you turn? See how the head turns? Then you're gonna back up. So you turn your head back, and we hit the second tree. Right. We rear end the second tree. And then you chip again, and we head off to the house, and it'll be on your profile as we drive toward the house.
That was amazing. Yeah, that was a trip.
That was good.
There has been a threat to release government material long shrouded in secrecy.
Daniel is this amazing mathematical brain, and he's using it to understand them. Do you understand what she's saying?
It's gibberish, you can't understand it.
I can't.
And Margaret is suddenly imbued with these abilities she's never had before. She can speak other languages fluently.
Since when do you speak Korean?
I speak Korean. What?
She can read people by looking in their eyes.
Who are those guys? They're with the FBI.
They're not FBI.
I wanted to make sure that they were real people, based on reports about abduction and lost time.
I can see them. They're coming into the room. The only way for you to know your purpose is to go back to where it all began. It's the two of you. It's always been just the two of you.
What they know could change everything. Religion, governments, all the things that we've set up to create our culture and our world.
Whatever happens, don't you let go.
Daniel and Margaret are going to release the truth of the entire history of the UFO UAP phenomenon.
Whoa.
And nothing will ever be the same from that moment forward. 3, 2, 1.
This is Disclosure Day.
Science fiction has been with me as long as I've been on this planet. And I've made a lot of movies about things that cannot be explained, from sharks to saucers. I just need to see the cross, I need to see the light on the cross.
Every time I get a script from Steven, I know we are in good hands. My first reaction was that we're back into making
classical Steven Spielberg movie, and that involves action, very large scope, very emotional.
Whatever happens, don't you let go.
Stephen and Janusz together, they are just so extraordinary, and their secret language is ever present.
That's such a pleasure witnessing that pairing. It's really cool.
The train sequence was one of the more challenging scenes in the movie. It involved extensive visual effects, extensive physical effects, practical photography. So all those elements had to be put together and create a cohesive sense of reality. The film was shot in 35mm motion. Stephen is very encouraging for me to not be afraid to go less conventional, and certainly in this movie we did go less conventional. There's a beautiful poetic scene that deals with the main characters being able to go back to their childhood. Just one of the most beautiful sequences we've shot, and I got the chance to play with night light, interior lights.
It was complex creating the archive that was going to eventually possibly be released to the world all at the same time.
We're interrupting our coverage. There has been a threat to publicly release government material long shrouded in secrecy.
That gave me the opportunity to play with different formats and different looks to create this sense of reality.
Everything had to be authentic to the technology we had in the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and on through to today. So it never stopped evolving until finally I had to say, okay, that's it, that's the movie.
Out, cut, Rick, and cut, Rick.
This is disclosure.
It's this one here. Let's see. No, closer. Yeah, it needs my face. Here.
So I'm going to show you.
Perfect.
And also not the possibility, but the guarantee that there is life off this planet.
People keep wondering, encountering the unknown.
People's questions about what is not only going on in our skies, but what is going on in our worlds, in our realities, has reached a critical mass of people's complete fascination with, are we alone or are we not alone?
They are starved for the truth.
And if someone knows we're not alone, why haven't we been told? 3, 2, 1.
This is disclosure day.
Fun, right? Okay, let's go watch Sensational. It actually already started, which means the park is closed, which means the store is closed. Thank you, bye. Have a good night. Okay. All right. Sensational, I can hear you. Here I come. I can see you too. Yeah, right there. Nice.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up the ceiling when we in our zone. Under the lights where everything goes. When I'm getting you close. When we move, you already know. So just imagine. But you dance, dance, dance too. You creeping up on you, just dance, dance, dance. Come on.
incredible how a few simple notes, strung together in just the right key and tempo, can inspire the imagination, taking us back in time, leaving us wanting more. And as our cinematic symphony gently fades into the calm of the night, these enchanting melodies will continue to echo within us, becoming universal harmonies that inspire us all to live out our own epic adventures.
Thank you for joining us for Sensational, a symphonic spectacular.
All right, and I'm out of here. I hope you liked it, guys. Hope you got entertained a little bit. Yeah, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. And for right now, have a good night and good rest. And be nice to each other. Good night. Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night. See you next week.
Have a good